Electrolux dryer EFDC317 TIW3 turns on, starts, but it won't tumble, the drum won't spin, and the sound is off. Lesson 3. The customer suspects the motor, but I verify first and prove the cause on camera. Quick check. I start the cycle. You can hear the motor start, but it's working under load and something is binding. The dryer powers on, but there's no drum movement. So I stop the cycle and go straight to a mechanical field test. Door open, I rotate the drum by hand. It's tight with clear resistance. Tight by hand means mechanical drag. Something is physically restricting rotation. I disconnect power and begin a controlled teardown to find the band. Top panel off, front panel off. Now I am looking for the exact contact point causing that drag. First check the front drum rollers. They spin freely and look normal. Rollers are not the cause, so I keep tracing the restriction. Here's the single rod cause in this case. The plastic blower wheel on the motor shaft is cracked. It's bending and contacting the housing, loading the motor shaft area and preventing normal rotation, so the dryer won't tumble. Diagnosis is complete. Now the repair blower wheel replacement. For proper access, I disassemble further and remove the drum. While it's open, I inspect the system as I go: rollers, idler tension and belt routing. Everything moves freely and looks correct. With the drum out, I vacuum the lint thoroughly. Lint restricts airflow and adds heat stress, so cleaning is part of doing this repair properly. I remove the cracked blower wheel and install a new intact wheel. I sit it correctly on the motor shaft and confirm it spins true with zero contact against the housing. After reassembly, I rotate the drum by hand again. The drag is gone and rotation is smooth. Final verification. Controlled test cycle, strong consistent tumbling, clean sound, normal operation. Thumbs up, fixed and verified. If your Electrolux dryer turns on but won't tumble and the drum feels tight by hand, treat that resistance as mechanical drag. Find the physical bind before blaming the motor. Subscribe for more real diagnostic lessons from Appliance Fix Lab. If you are in Winnipeg and need professional dryer repair, book service using the link in the description. See you soon. Bye bye.